tidy with WTI.
This wall-mounted toilet paper roll holder from Autumn Alley gives any bathroom such a unique style. This toilet paper holder is made of metal and wood, and it was created to give off a rustic feeling so that when you put it in your bathroom, it gives that barnyard or farm feeling. I'm the type of person who loves having things simple and easy to install, and that's exactly how this was. Not only was it easy to install with just a couple of tools, but you didn't wreck the wall or anything. It was perfect. What I also like is the fact that it's super easy to put the toilet paper on and off. It just comes up and down. The thing the toilet paper sits on rolls super smoothly. It's so nice. This toilet paper roll holder definitely has improved the look of our bathroom, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone.
And that's my point of view.